Gary Peplow up here in Forest Falls. I've never flown infrared in snow, and I'm really curious how it's going to change. I'll show you what it was like before and then after. Really cool, right? So I have DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise. All right, and it's got infrared. Okay, so I have about 10 minutes on this battery. It wasn't full. But we're going to fly now. On, it's going to be so cool. We're flying in the snow. Sorry about that. I'm looking at my bird. We're flying in the snow with infrared, and I am so curious what it's going to look like. All right, so let me go ahead and. Okay, we're looking. Now, I'm going to start recording. Okay, so that's the truck. Look how hot the truck is compared to the rest of the terrain. Really cool, right? Let's do a slow pan. See people back over there. Wow, that is cool. That is cool. All right, all these vehicles are so warm in comparison. You can see people walking. Of course, you can't recognize them, which is a good thing. So, you can't recognize them, it's a good thing. So I'm going to go ahead and launch from here. Jeez, look over there. Look, is that cool? You have people over there. Is that neat? All right, so now I got to launch. Okay. How you doing, sir? Okay, let's look around. Look at that. Look at the difference. Is that cool? All right, I want you to see this. This is so cool. All right, so all these vehicles are so warm and the snow is really cold, and you can see all these people. Really cool. Let's do a small pan here. Really cool, right? Hey, it's Gary Peplow again, and I'm flying IR in the snow. Okay, I've never done that before. All right, so this should be pretty interesting, okay? So, all right then. Okay, we're looking at everything in infrared. Well, I'm going to change this. I mean, look at that. Look at that. The thing that's really cool is that it's so cold you really can't see anything, right? Look at that. That's neat. Let's look back at the parking lot. That is the parking lot. Those vehicles are so hot compared to the rest of it, right? Now I'm going to put it up a little bit. All right, now we're going to look at the rest of the area. Oh, look at that. The water is warmer than the snow. It's making a trail. I've never seen this before. This is so cool. You can see where the water is going through the area. This is really cool. And then you can see that the rocks are a little bit warmer than the snow, right? Because the snow is ice. Okay, so now I'm going to take it up a little bit. Got to keep it down a little bit lower because the clouds are coming in. All right, I got to change palettes. It's so cool. I'm going to change it to here. Let's do this hotspots. So we're going to look at hotspots now, and it's getting colder. The sun went away. Well, that's different. It's not showing as hot. Let me change the palette again. Oh, see, now that's different. Just doing it. That's the parking lot. So let's look at the rest of the area.
Come on, Grant.
Take care.
Everything good up there?
Beautiful. And right now I'm doing it in infrared. I've never seen here. This shows how warm the river is compared to.
Oh, that's cool.
And there's the vehicles.
Wow.
Is that crazy or
That's
what?
pretty amazing.
Yeah. Well, I'm a search and rescue for the local CERT, and I'm trying to practice all the different conditions that I'd be hunting for somebody.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. I'm Gary.
Fly out on over here. Can you see people standing in the snow?
And that's my next thing. And the thing is, it's just like anything else. When they put the coats on,
Yeah.
that
Kind of insulates them a little.
yeah, it's harder to see them. But it's cool. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Well, it got chillier than when you and I got here first.
Yeah, it feels like the weather's dropping.
Yeah.
Or I've just been out in it.
No. It's colder.
They're all sticky cobblestone here. They're all sticky. I'll try to drag it all the way here.
You can keep it.
So did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good. You guys how's school going for you?
Good.
Good. What's your favorite subject?
History.
History? Very cool. Well, you take care and have a good time in school.
You too.
we're looking at Forest Falls, and you can see how the buildings are insulated, but you can see also that they're warmer than the surrounding area. So I'm going to change palettes again. Go back to rainbow. All right, look at that. That's infrared. That's so damn cool. It's so cool. So what we're seeing is the buildings. You can see there the air's a little bit warmer there than the oh, that's cool. Again, we saw that before. There's the river. Now we're going to see if you can see anybody down there. I have about 16 minutes left, but as you saw earlier, I had a problem with power and it ended up landing on the truck. So I don't know how that works. But we're looking again, you can see them coming. Let's see if we can see people moving around. Okay, we're at 179 feet. 179 feet, and we're about 250 feet away. All right, so this is really, it's very hard to see. I can see people moving, but we really have to have a way to be able to find, have somebody search while somebody else flies this safely, right? You can see the vehicles there. But someone's got to be able to analyze this, and hopefully it's going to be on a big screen. Okay, I'm going to switch it over and take some infrared pictures. There's a little conflict right there. Yeah, they're sort of fighting over a spot. Really cool, you can see that. Well, I'm gonna bring it in.
Oh, I'm sorry. You got,
Hi, what's up?
I think you're working here.
Oh, no, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Good, good. You think I need this the parking?
Yeah, probably
Yeah.
if you have it already.
Oh,
I would
okay.
just use it, but yeah.
Oh,
I used, let's just say I used mine.
Yeah, I think you gave me a ticket or something, right? A ticket.
Oh,
to the car.
no, I understand.
Oh, okay.
Entiendo. Yeah, bien, buen día. There I am, right there. I think we're going cold. Yeah, look at this. I wouldn't do that. That's pretty cool, right? Pretty neat. Hi guys.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm a lucky man. Hi, this is a drone. It flies.